ঠিক আছে, আমরা শুরু করি। So you can see a slide. Your topic is chapter 3 lesson 8 seed. Today we'll discuss about two lessons, chapter 8 and lesson 8 and lesson 9. You have already completed class test from chapter 3 lesson 1 to 7. So we'll start from lesson 8. What can we see in the figure? Some seeds. So the name of the lesson is selection of good seeds. What is seed? Seed is a part of a plant. It is formed from a flower. So inside a flower there is a ovary, and there is a ovule inside ovary. This ovary get matured and transform into a seed. So we can say that seeds are fundamental agricultural materials, and matured and fertilized ovule is called seed. If we say definition, this will be matured and fertilized ovule is called seed. Characteristics of seeds is the regeneration of plants is happened by seed. We can reproduce a plant from a seed. You can see a figure that a seed is gradually growing up to a seedling. I will let you speak after finishing my presentation. Before that, your duty is to uh, keep silent and listen carefully. What is called seed? There is a problem. The screen does not move. So, according to botany, the matured and fertilized ovule is called seed. I have told it before that, and it is called also true seed. Now, agricultural seed. This definition from the botanist does not cover all part of the plant, because there are some plants, there is non-flowering plants. They cannot produce any seed. So in agricultural activities, we need a seed to produce or to grow crops. So agriculturist defines seed that any part of a plant that is used for propagation or reproduction. In this definition, any vegetative part of a plant is also seed. And true seed also seed, because true seed can produce is able to produce seedling or any part of the plant such as potato tuber, then stone sheaf, or in Bengal it is called pathor kusi. The leaf is used to propagate and reproduce a seedling. Both true seed and vegetative part are also agricultural seed. True seed and vegetative seed. There is also again problem. I don't know why this happened. The characteristics of one generation is streamed to next generation by seed. This is characteristics of seed, both agricultural seed and botanical seed. The characteristics of one generation passes through next generation through seed, by seed. In the vegetative propagation, the characteristics of only mother plant can transfer into next generation, because vegetative propagation, that means any part of a plant, that means a stem, a root, or a leaf, or a bird is used for propagation. This is vegetative propagation. The mother plant can produce an identical seedling from its leaf, root, stem, or any other thing, any other part. On the other hand, a resultant mixture of characteristics of father and mother is observed in true seed, because true seed is formed primarily when the plant initiate flowers or blooms. At first pollination occurs, then pollen grain in penetrate into the ovary. This is called, and mixed with the ovule. This is called fertilization. In fertilization, both the characteristics of mother and father plants get mixed. So uh, there is a chance of getting mixture of the characteristics in case of true seed. And this true seed, this mixture brings a chance for improving crops. We can sense plant characteristics by using true seed through a process called hybridization. Hybridization and selection. This is again problem. Hybridization and selection. Come back to the previous slide. What is hybridization and selection? It is a process of improving genetic characteristics of soil of crop. In this method, two plants of same crop are grown and artificially pollination is made between them. At first, two plants of same crop are grown, or two lines of a number of crops of same crops are grown side by side. One is termed as male plant and another is considered as female plant. The seeds of that plants bear characteristics of both mother and father plant. How comes seed? These plants initiate flowers and then pollination occurs between them and seed is formed. This seed bears characteristics of both mother and father plants. But all the plants from that seed do not bear same characteristics because the mixing happens indiscriminately. So from a variety of characteristics, only desired plants are selected as a new variety. We have to select the desired variety from a number of plants. The total process is called selection breeding. These variety seeds are multiplied and distributed to the farmers. So in this process, selection and hybridization and discovering or developing a new variety, there are three organizations involved. Number one, agricultural research institutes. Their function is working on development of seed. That means they just do the hybridization process. Then they develop a new variety. This variety will be recommended by an agency or an institution called Seed Certification Agency. After certification of that seed, another organization called BADC, Bangladesh Agricultural Development Corporation, multiplies these seeds and distributes to the farmers. This distribution is done through a number of listed farmers or dealers. Quality of a good seed. I am facing some problems in presenting slides. Sometimes slides get locked and does not move. I don't know why this happened. What are the qualities of seed? Purity. Purity means seeds without mixture of other seed. Germination capacity. The ability of a seed to produce seedling. It is called germination capacity. The seed should have at least 80% germination capacity. All seed does not do not grow into seedling. Vigor. Vigor is the ability of a seed to produce seedling under an adverse situation. Healthy seed. Healthy seed means the seed is free from disease and insect. It's called How can we test seed vigor and germination capacity? You can see that two tests is done: blotter test and paper towel test. At first, seeds are soaked in water, and the water is filtered. Then it is kept into a blotting paper, inside a blotting paper or soaked towel. After 2 or 3 days, based on different varieties of plant, seed transfer into uh, seedling. Seed preservation. A good seed may fail to germinate owing to deficient of proper preservation. Not only growing good quality seed, but seed preservation also important. It is right for true seed. Good and healthy seed preservation technique. We can see that a field with some crops. Selection of seed crops start when crops remains in the field. The first step is proper plant protection measures are taken so that plant cannot be damaged by insect or other organism. Seed preservation step 2, the seeds crops are to be harvested at a proper maturity stage. Then harvesting of the crop, 3 or 4 steps are performed. Number 1, threshing. Threshing means separation of grain or seeds from the plant. Then winnowing, separation of dust and other things from the seed. Sieving is also separation process, and drying of the seed. In our country, drying is almost done in sun ray. The moisture content, after drying, the moisture content should be within 8 to 10% of its weight. Seed preservation, seed does not preserved in open pot. It must be, we should avoid open pot, and we should always use airtight container to avoid high temperature or X-ray. Seed preservation step 5, seeds, the storage seeds should be protected from rat or other insect, stone-grain insect. Pest control measures. Steps of rice seed preservation. There are some steps. Number 1, produce seeds and rice in isolated plot with special care. Isolated plot means so that we avoid cross pollination. Insecticide spraying at regular intervals so that the plant cannot be damaged by insect. Proper sanitation measures should be taken. It is also done to keep the field or land weed free and clean. Cut down rice plant with minimum stock after ripen. Drying the harvested plant carefully. We have less time. Threshing is discussed in previous slide. We know also discussed. Seed drying, cooling in a shady place so that seed cannot be damaged. Then packing or bagging or storing in the storehouse. Steps of pepper seed preservation. We can see red chili or pepper. Then first step, collection of ripened seeds from a healthy plant and disease-free plant. Then cut down or break the fruits and bring out seed. Discard the immature, infested and irregular size seeds. Drying the seed in the sunlight for 2 hours. Cool down the seeds before storing. The same process. Packing, bagging, labeling. Labeling is done because in labeling we should mention the seed crops, name of the seed crops, date of packing, and name of the variety, germination capacity, purity, etc. All information should be written in the packet. On the packet, storing in a safe place. This is all. Thank you. If you have any question. the chat icon. Then you can ask me question if you fail to understand anywhere in the slide. Do you have any question? I have unmuted all. Unmute yourself and you can speak. Yes. কারো কোনো কোশ্চেন আছে? Yes, speak. আমি তো আনমিউট করে দিছি। কোথাও পাঠিয়েছে unmute। কি তোমরা কি কোনো সমস্যা ফেস করছো? আমি তো শুনতে পাচ্ছি না কিছু। হ্যাঁ, কথা বলতে চাইলে বলো। শোনা যাচ্ছে?